So here is what I got from my first book haul from the Cozy Book Corner. This is the 2 boxes that I unboxed a couple weeks ago. It's a lot of stuff. And this is, again, the one that's bi-monthly. You'll receive it every 2 months. And I think I did pretty well. This is also the t-shirt for the subscription as well, the t-shirt subscription with them. And of course, my cats want to say hello. Say hello, Charlie. Say hello, Fonzie. Yeah, hello. All right, let's go back. I did unpack this, the TBR. It's actually really cool. They give you a little scratcher to scratch everything off. And yeah, this is my first part of the first video. Leave your comments down below, and I will have a link for new subscribers to take off $5 off your first purchase. And let me know what you think. So far, I love it. Thanks.